All right. What it do? So cool, gang. As y'all know, this me, Mr. Lover, like no other. I'm back again with another video just for y'all. Today's video, So Cool, gang, is about I'm gonna title the video for today. Is picking up my lawnmower and weed eater from the repairman shop. Yeah, my lawnmower and my weed eater. I'm picking up from the repairman. So cool, gang. Today's video is not gonna be long, but today's video, so cool, gang. Look what I'm riding in. Snowball, little snowball. My work truck. Yeah, I'm riding my little work truck today. Little snowball. Work time. There he is. Work time. Yep, today's video, I'm out in the sun, picking up my lawnmower and weed eater from the repairman. Had to get some work did to it. Yep, sure did. My lawnmower and weed eater. Look what I'm riding in today. Yeah, little snowball. I ain't got no AC in it. I ain't got no air. Yep. I ain't got no air in it. But it's all good though. My work truck. That's why it's called work time. Yep. Riding my work truck today. I'm gonna cut my grass tomorrow at the house. Yep. Yeah, it's so cool, gang. This the business. Today is picking up my yard equipment and so on. But yeah, I'm giving y'all a video of what's going on. Yeah, I'm doing that. Yeah, I'm doing that. This me, Mr. Lover, like no other. Yeah, I got y'all video going. I got y'all a short video going, so cool, gang. And as y'all know, so cool, gang, meaning my Facebook and my YouTube videos. Yeah, Mr. Lover, like no other. Give my hand, Melvin. Close tailgate. My helper here, Melvino, closing on up. Close tailgate. All right, you can go get in the truck. Finna end this video. Well, so cool, gang, y'all. That's him, Melvino.
ALB helper, number one. I'm number one helper. I'm number one helper.
That's him, Melvino. Well, so cool, gang. I'm finna slowly end this video and call it a day. Get my lawnmower and weed back to the house, and bust it out tomorrow. Yep, bust it out tomorrow and cut the grass. Get the grass cut, weed eat, my blow at the house. Yep. Well, so cool, gang. I got y'all little old 5 minutes video. Oh yeah, check this out. So cool, gang. So cool, gang. Once again, meaning my Facebook and YouTube videos, I got y'all a video coming about I'm trying to recruit. I got a video that's going to be titled Recruiting. Mr. Lover Recruiting. I got a few people I need to recruit. I'm gonna do a video in a couple of days talking about who I'm trying to recruit. Yeah, I need to recruit some people on my team. I'm trying to build a solid team. Yeah. But like I said, so cool, gang. I'm gonna end this video and Y'all stay safe, be blessed, and etc. But yeah, I gotta do a video so I can get me a team together, a solid team. But like I said, I'm gonna do a video, let y'all in on people I'm trying to recruit. But anyway, so cool, gang. Guess what? I'm out. Later.